Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be going through Cambridge Lower Secondary Checkpoint Year 8 Progression Test. So here I have first question here. The probability Naomi will win her test match is 0.3. Find the probability that she will not win her test match. So you know that probability of happening event and not happening event is equal to 1. So we have here one minus 0.3, that is 0.7. So 0.7 is final answer. Now write a number in each box to make the statement correct. 8 power 0. So you know the rules of exponent. Anything x power 0 is 1. Anything raised to power 0 is 1. So 8 power 0 is 1. And we have here the exponents. The rule is xm divided by xn. When the base is same, powers are different and we have division sign, then we subtract the power, m minus n. So this is going to be 8, 15 minus 5, that is 8 power 10. Right? Now number 3, work out cube root of this. So cube root of a negative number. So if we multiply, let's see, we have negative 64. So negative 64 can be written as minus 4 times minus 4. Right? So that means negative 4 power 3. So cube root of negative 64 is minus 4. Right? Now number 4, we have x 32 kilometer is equal to x mile. Correct to the nearest miles. Work out the value of x. So like how many kilometers? The question is 32 kilometers will be equals to x miles, meaning so how many these kilometers are there. So we know that 1 mile is equal to we have 8 over 5 kilometers. So how many kilometers? We are looking for to the nearest miles. So 32 kilometers, how many miles? So we can write it down here like 1 mile is equal to 8.5, then 32, sorry, this side 32 kilometers will be how many miles? So x here, so cross multiply, so this is going to give you, let me write down here, x times 8 over 5 is equal to 32 times 1, and x is equal to 32 times 5 over 8. When you bring this to other side, so it will become the reciprocal. 8 times 4, 32. So we have 4 times 5, which is 20. Right? Write this ratio in its simplest form. So we have here 0.2 meters and 17 centimeters. So first we need to make the unit same. So 0.2 meters times 100 will be it will be 200, then there is one decimal place, so that means 20 centimeter. So this is 20 centimeter and this is 17 centimeters. So now you can see we can't simplify more further here, so it will be just 20 ratio 17. So 20 ratio 17 is the final answer. Right? First you convert unit here, then you just write the ratio. Right? Now number 6, work out this. So give your answer as a fraction in its simplest form. So we will do this step by step. First of all, we use the BIDMAS rule. For that we have to solve first bracket. In bracket we have 4 over 5 minus 1 over 3. So to subtract that, we should have the denominator same. So to make denominator same, we can multiply here by 3 and here by 5. You see, this became 15 and this also became 15. So we have 4 times 3, 12 over 15 minus 5 over 15, right? So then we have 6 over 7 times 12 minus 5 is 7 over 15. So 7 and 7 is gone. So this we can simplify by 2, 2 times 3 and 2 times 3 by 3, 3 times 2 and 3 times 5. So it will be 2 over 5, the final answer. So do step by step, slowly you will reach to the conclusion. Here we have a different question. I think you have not seen this kind of question in previous papers, so this is something new. The diagram shows a right angle triangle. We have the right angle triangle here. Two of the vertices are 34, 28 and 20, 0. The midpoint of the side of triangle ABC, the midpoints of the triangle of are ABC. So A, B and C are the midpoints of the sides, meaning B is midpoint of this side, A is midpoint of this one and C is midpoint of this one. Find the coordinates of A, B and C. So now we will look for, first of all, we have these two coordinates. You know how we find out midpoint. Midpoint is always x1 plus x2 over 2 and y1 plus y2 over 2, meaning you add the x coordinates and divide by 2. So for C, we will have, this is the midpoint of this, so it will be 34 plus 20 over 2 for x, and for y we have 28 plus 0 over 2. So C is going to be, this is 54 over 2, 28 over 2. So 50, this is 27 and this is 14. So coordinates of C we got 27 and 14, right? Now we are looking for this. Now we don't have the coordinate of this line here, coordinate of this point here. So how will you calculate that? Okay, so if you look at point A, so this is midpoint. So you see this point is here. At this point x is 34, right? So this is also going to be 34 because this and this have the same level. So this is 34. And what about the coordinate of y? You see this, the way they both are like at the same height. So if C we got here 14, so C point is 27 and 14, so this is also going to be 14. So this is how you calculate coordinates of point A. Now for B, so B is here, so this is x-axis, so that means y is 0, right? So if y is 0, we are going to find out this one here. So this point, if you see, is just parallel to this one. So that means this x is 27 here. So if x is 27 here, x will be 27 here too. So this is 27 and 0. So this question is a bit tricky. You have to use your knowledge about triangles here. So be careful while doing this. So first you start with C, then you can go for other 2 points. Question number 8. Here is a diagram of a circle center C with the center C and chord AB. AB is chord, center is C. Write these lengths in order of size starting with the shortest. This is also new question. So shortest one here, circumference. Circumference is this. So I would say this will be the biggest side. So this should come here, circumference, because nothing can be greater than that. Then we have here the diameter is this one. So we are done with this. Chord AB is here. Diameter is going to be the side that passes through, a line that passes through center, and the chord AB. So you see this AB diameter will be greater than chord, and the smallest will be the radius. Radius is this one. So radius will come over here. Bigger than radius is going to be chord AB, right? And then we will have diameter, and then there is circumference, right? Now number 9, find the value of each expression when E, F and G. We are given the values of E, F, G. Just plug in the values here. E is -5. Then we have F is 7 and minus. If there is minus, put minus. Now G is 3 from here. Now you calculate -5 times 7 minus 3 is 4. So minus 20. Minus 20, right? Now the other one here is F plus G. F is 7, G is 3 and then square. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 squared is 100, right? Now 3E squared. 3E. E is -5 squared minus 4. So 3 times 5 squared is 25 minus 4, that is 75 minus 4, that is 71, right? So this was an easy question, but be sure about the signs when you do the calculations. I would request you guys, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe, and if these videos are helping you, please press the like button and share your feedback in the comment section. I will wait for that. And please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. So let's do next question, number 10 here. Draw a ring around each inequality that is equivalent to x greater than 5. So let's see, we have to solve this one. So this move x 1 to other side, so this will become x 4 plus 1, that is x greater than 5. So this is same as that, so we can circle that. So this is 5 greater than x, and then x will become less than 5. So this is not the answer. So this one here, divide by 2, divide by 2. So this will become x greater than 5, which is same. So we'll circle that. X greater than 4 is totally different, and 5 less than x means x greater than 5. They are same. So this is also the answer, right? Now number 11, and the quadrilateral ABCD is drawn on the grid and point E is 4, 0, right? Write down the equation of the line that is parallel to CD. So we are looking for a line which is parallel to CD. So if we have this point given here 4, 0, right? So this is line CD. So equation of this line is equal to x equals to 4, right? So now if you see, this line is also parallel to this one. That means here line is x equals to 3, and here this is also parallel, this is also parallel. So any line that is vertical line parallel to this y axis is going to be parallel to CD. So we will write the equation is y equals to k. So k is any number. It can be 2, 3, 4, 5, even the negative. So sorry, not y, x equals to k. So these are the lines, x equals to k. So x equal to k with k where k is any number, right? Now part B, Rajiv draws a line y equals to 5x plus 4. Draw a ring around the point that this line passes through. Y equals to 5x plus 4. So we can see, like, you have this of C, that is 4. So this is the y-intercept, so line is passing through this one. So that means any line, if y-intercept is, it must intersect this one. So he said draw a ring around the point that line passes through. So if we get B this point, so definitely this is going to pass through point B, right? Then write down the equation of the line that passes through A and D. So A and D is this line, right? So this line, if you see here, so when x is here in this one, this is like the line passing through that the center, so that will be y equals to minus x. So if you see, when x is 1, y is minus 1, when x is 2, y is minus 2. So the sign is different, so line will be y equals to minus x. Question number 12, here is a line AB. You can see this line AB. Use a ruler and compass only. Construct perpendicular bisector of AB. Do not rub out the construction arcs. So, perpendicular and bisector. So, the best way to draw is, there are other ways also. So, I'm just telling you the best one, the easy one. So, you put your needle on needle of the compass on the end points, like this is the end point, open more than half just by approximation, more than half, and draw an arc like this, right? And then with the same radius put your needle on other end and draw an arc like this. Okay, so after this, when you do this, you will get these 2 points, then you join it, the end points of this. Make sure that you use a sharp pencil. So this is the perpendicular bisector. This is the line that will bisect this line AB into 2 equal halves, and also the perpendicular. That's why it's called perpendicular bisector, right? Question number 13, Mike and Samira travels from home to visit a friend. The distance diagram shows information about their journeys, right? So here is Mike's journey, here is Samira's journey. Mike and Samira live in the same house and travel around the same route to visit their friend. Complete these sentences. Samira leaves home. Samira is here. What time she leaves home? She leaves home dash minutes after Mike. So after Mike leaves home at 9, Samira leaves home at 10. He said after how many minutes? So this is 1 hour, which is equal to 60 minutes, right? So answer is going to be 60 minutes. Okay. Now Samira passes Mike at time. So when she passes, it's this time here, right? And at a distance of this kilometer from home. The distance we will do later on. So first let's see what time is this. So this is 11 and this is 12. This is going to be 11:30 here, this point, 11:30, and this is 11:40, around 11:42 we can say, right? At a distance from dash kilometers. So distance is here, this side. So this is 100, 125, 130, 135 kilometers. So at 135 kilometers from home. This was an easy question. So number 14, here are 4 sequences A, B, C, D. We have sequences here. Write the letter for each sequence in correct place in the table. First one has been done for you. The term to term rule is add k or subtract k, where k is a whole number. So if you see the first one, if you add one of these conditions should be true, right? Add k or subtract k. So here we are adding 3, right? So that means A is there. Now B, let's say B, if you add 3, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 3 is 9, right? So if you subtract 3 minus 3, 0. So it's not working here. So this one C, let's say C, 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 4 is not 9. So it's not coming here. So 20 minus 10, then minus 10 is 0, minus 10. So that means D will come over here. So subtract k is applicable here. Now the other one, the term to term rule for multiplying by k. So we are left with, this was not working there. So this is B and C. You can even check, like 3 times 2 is 6, 6 times 2, 12. So it is multiplying by k. So that's how B and C will come over in this box, right? Now part B, the nth term of the sequence E is 4n. So that is an. Nth term is 4n minus 1. Find the 200 term of sequence A 200. So 4 times 200 minus 1. This is 800 minus 1. That is 799. Right? So that's it for this video. So remaining question we are going to do in the next video. So thank you so much guys for watching. I will wait for your comments about the feedback, and if you are getting benefit, please subscribe and share it with your friends, and let me know in the comment section and press the like button. Thank you so much guys. God bless you.